Hey there, my peeps. So I almost forgot to record this, but I'm glad I did. So I'm finally gonna ship my juicer. So I'm gonna ship the whole motor base, which I wrapped it in cotton. Um, so I'm sending in the bowl, um, the auger, the wiping shield thingy, and the screen. Just put these together. Yeah. So they won't go separate. But yeah. And then the actual the lid for the feeding. And also, I just remember that I'm gonna call them actually right now. See if they can send me a replacement of the catchment for the juice, and then the Pope. The Pope one. Salud, mami. Bless you. Um, yeah. So the Pope one. I don't know. What happened to it. Um, but but I'm just gonna see if they can send me two new ones. And yeah, and I'm just gonna put more cotton. Yeah, so to wrap everything up, make it nice and safe. But yeah, so I have the juicer, the motor base here. Let me show you guys. I had this old cover. It's like falling apart. It's all messed up. So I pretty much just took off the cotton from the inside. Still some left, a little bit left. But yeah, and I'm just gonna use this for Stinky, so he could I guess go to sleep. You know. So there you go, my peeps. I'm gonna ship this out. And another thing I'm gonna ask them too is to send me cleaning brushes. See, back outside. Got the shipping label and the replacement service form. And I gotta put this inside here, wrap this up, and then you guys know the drill. Put this on top. Got the tapes. But yeah, my peeps. So that's it. This is gonna go. So they said 2 weeks. Yes, it's gonna take 2 weeks from today until I get it back. Alright, my peeps, I don't want to make this a long video. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna wrap everything up and then just show you guys, and then just show you guys when I drop it off, and that's it at the UPS. Alright, peace, love, and health. Juicer, health, investment. Alright, peace, my peeps. Alright, my peeps, so this is the list of the parts. There's the motor base, the blank strainer, the juice cup, juicing bowl, juicing strainer, the lid, the pulp cup, pusher, rotation wiper, the screw slash auger, the smoothie strainer, cleaning tool, cleaning brushes, and the book and the manuals. Yeah, so there's all this stuff. Okay, so I'm writing a letter. Well, I wrote a letter to Kulving. Yeah, so it's May I also get, okay, dear Kulving's family, may I also get my juice cup, pulp cup, pusher, and cleaning brushes, repair, replacement, pretty please. And do I qualify to receive include the smoothie strainer in the return package? If yes, that is magical. Unfortunately, I just can't find the pulp cup, pusher, and cleaning brushes in the house to send them along with the rest of the parts. The pulp cup and pusher were both cracked, damaged, and both white cleaning brushes completely broke. And if possible, please return me the white cotton wrapping cushion I included in the package. Once again, Super Ultra Instinct, thank you for everything you all do for humanity and the world. Organically, Mr. Bison. But yeah, so, and this is my cushion. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is include this is the instructions. I have to include this in here, and I'm gonna include my letter. But yeah, oh no, don't rip. So boom, bada bing. So I got both in here, and then I'm gonna close this up. Alright, my peeps. Just wanted to show you guys that. Alright. Peace. Alright, peeps. So I taped it up real quick. I'm going to tape it up over there. They have a shit ton of tape. I don't want to waste my mom's. As I said, she only has not a lot. So I'm going to tape it up real good over there. Really generous. Patch it up real good. And then just put this on top. And that's it. But I have my letter in there. Yeah.
Is that when you go to the pet shop?
When I come back, and I put on both sides. On here, just in case. Want to play it safe. But yep. So that's it. Alright, my peeps. Alright, hey there, my peeps. I gotta make this quick because my battery's gonna die. So I'm here. UPS Center. Let me get off. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop this baby off. This bad boy. But yeah, I'm at customer service center. So I'm right here. And I'm gonna drop this off. Alright, my peeps, hold on. I'm finally gonna get it replaced, juicing. It's gonna be 2 weeks without juicing, but
Jumbo juice.
all right, awesome.